Okay, I'm gonna go through number 6 again. Number 6 is a summary. It says you need to write a summary of the passage. You need to have an introduction, um, 3 supporting details, and a concluding sentence. So I'm going to kind of guide you through this again. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to do a little bit less than I did last time, because with each one of these, you should be getting better and more familiar with how to write them. So again, I'm not going to take the time and read the passage. So if you haven't read the passage, just pause this and read the passage, and then start it back up, and we'll start to go through it. So again, the first, I need my introduction. So I'm going to read this first paragraph um, to see what is the main idea, the main thing that this passage is talking about. It says, because of the number of mishaps that frequently happened to Alec, his friends tagged him with the nickname Tripper. It seems that Alec couldn't walk up a set of stairs without tripping, pour a glass of milk without spilling it, or carry a bundle of groceries without dropping it. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. So, the main thing that this passage is talking about is Alec and his the mishaps that he's having. So I want to be able to put that into my own words. So again, when we're doing a summary, you want to put it in your own words. You cannot just copy it from the passage. So I'm going to start my introduction, which is what this is going to be about, by saying, I'm going to read the first sentence again. Because of the number of mishaps that frequently happened to Alec, his friends tagged him with the name Tripper. Okay, so I'm going to say Alec is always having mishaps. Okay, Alec is always having mishaps. Now, my first detail, again, I'm going to look at that first paragraph, and I'm going to pull my first detail out of that one. So my first support for my summary is going to come out of that. It says his friends tagged him with the nickname Tripper. It seems that Alec couldn't walk up a set of stairs without tripping, pour a glass of milk without spilling it, or carry a bundle of groceries without dropping it. Okay? So I'm going to pull out of that paragraph, that short paragraph, one of my details. So my intro is Alec is always having mishaps. I'm going to say his friends call him Tripper because he trips going upstairs, comma, spills his milk, sloppy, and the last one, drops groceries, and drops the groceries. Okay? So Alec is always having mishaps. His friends call him Tripper because he trips going upstairs, spills his milk, and drops the groceries. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the next short paragraph. It's a short paragraph. Alec's father tries to convince Alec that he could remedy his own problem. You must slow down and think about your actions, Alec. take charge of your life. Careless things happen when people allow them to happen. So I'm going to take the main point, the main idea of that paragraph. I'm going to say, Alex's father gives him advice to solve the problem. Okay? So I have two details. I need one more detail than my closing sentence. Okay? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to do the last paragraph, which starts with though, this paragraph right here. So you're going to pick out the last detail and then your concluding sentence. Okay, so your detail will come in there. For your concluding sentence, look at the last, take a look at the last sentence and kind of put that in your own words. So you need to read the last paragraph. And come up with the main idea for your last detail, and then a concluding sentence. Okay? So look at the last sentence. Look at the last sentence, and then put it in your words. Again, whenever you're writing a summary, put it in your own words. We cannot just copy it. All right? Okay, do your best.